The Safety First travel system offers a seamless combination of a stroller and car seat designed to provide comfort and security for your child from newborn to toddler age. This travel system features an onboard FLX infant car seat that ensures a snug and safe fit with head and body inserts and a 5-point harness adjustable to 4 different heights. The stroller is easy to maneuver with its agile wheels, and it includes a flip-flop friendly brake, making it convenient for parents to navigate various terrains. An extra-large canopy with a flip-out visor offers excellent protection from the elements, while the peekaboo window enhances airflow and visibility for both parent and child. Ample storage solutions, including a large basket and trays for both parent and child, make this travel system extremely practical for carrying all your essentials. The lift-to-fold design of the stroller makes it simple to store, as it stands upright when folded, adding to the overall convenience of the Safety First travel system.